In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a specific version of an extension in Cursor AI step by step. This is super useful if a newer update is causing issues, if you need an older version for compatibility, or if you simply want to stay on a version that works best for your setup. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look at the top menu bar and click on View. This will open a menu with different options for managing the app and your workspace. From there, click on Extensions. This takes you to the Extensions panel where you can see the extensions already installed in Cursor AI. Now find the extension you want to manage and click on it. Make sure you select the extension that is already installed because this is where the version controls will appear. After you open the extension, look near the uninstall button. You should see a small drop-down button, usually a down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow. Once you do that, you'll see more options appear, including the option to install specific version. Click on Install specific version. Cursor AI will then show you a list of available versions for that extension. Take a moment to review the versions carefully because different releases may behave differently depending on what you need. When you find the version you want, simply click on it. The installation will start automatically and Cursor AI will handle the rest for you. After it finishes, your extension will be updated to that specific version and you can continue working without needing to manually download or install anything else. This is one of the easiest ways to control your extension version inside Cursor AI, especially if you're troubleshooting problems or following a project that requires a particular release. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.